back again. Now, this is the structure of supply and demand. We have drop, base, rally, right? We have the imbalance down, the drop, the pause in the market, which would be the base, because the market has to be balanced in order for it to change direction, even if it's for a small moment. And then we have rally, demand taking over, right? We have rally, base, drop, rally, base, drop, right? And then we have rally, base, rally, and then we have drop, base, drop, right? Now, as simple as that may seem, I need you to practice this, because you might look at this and think that shouldn't be so hard, but as soon as you get on the charts, you're gonna be lost, right? So I would suggest you practice this. Now, this is the concept, right? Now that we have identified the levels, we're gonna dive deeper, obviously, but let me explain to you what we want from them, right? Basically, once the market creates a supply or demand level, the base would be the supply or demand level. So take, for example, this base right here. Now, once the price was balanced and an imbalance was created, the banks cannot enter all of their entries at one time, right? Because the banks is entering so much money into the market that they need to enter it piece by piece. And they need to enter it very subtly. Now, once we've identified our supply and demand zone, and we agree that the bank did buy here because the price dropped, we had a balance, and an imbalance was created, we now wait to get in on the second entry, right? We wait to get in on the second entry because more than likely, the price is going to retrace, and the rest of the bank's orders will be sitting there waiting as limit orders to enter the market to push the price back up. So think about it this way. We know that the banks entered $1 million. Let's say $1 million here, right? And we know that only half of that was able to be entered into the market because probably there wasn't enough sellers. So the market needed to go higher to find sellers to push the price back down. Now, once the market gets back to our entry, we enter with the next $500,000, which would be in buy limit orders because only half of them was entered as a market execution, right? And we ride that second wave with the banks on our side, right? Same thing with this right here. We wait for the market to retrace, and then we ride, right? Same thing with this right here, right? We're gonna dive deeper in the next lesson. We wait for the market to retrace back to our imbalanced level, and then we ride with the banks. We wait for the market to retrace to our imbalanced level, basically the base, and then we ride with the banks. Now I'm going to show you examples of this working very accurately so that you could gain more confidence. And obviously you're going to see it by yourself, right? So stay tuned. I'm going to dive deeper in the next lesson.